Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to put a border around an image. For example, I will open this image, and if you want to put a border around this image, you can unlock for the image layer, right click and then choose blending option. Now to make a border, we can use these tools. Inner glow, you can check and then click. After it, we can set into edge in elements, and then you can set for the border color in here. Like we use this color. Click OK. Now to resize, you can click at these icons to resize the border, and this is for quality contour. You can change for ranks and jitter. If you don't, you can click OK. So that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials how to put a border around an image. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.